We are in southern Spain, scrambling along one of these Jurassic limestone ridges, and under my hand here, this bright orange lichen. This is Rusavskia elegans, and it's a very calcium loving lichen, so it grows on substrates which are very rich in calcium. So it's no surprise that we're seeing it on the limestone here, which is almost pure calcium carbonate. But this is so specific that paleontologists have been using it to search for dinosaur bones. So a lot of dinosaur bones which are weathering out in badlands, the badlands are sandstones, they're terrestrial sandstones, but the bones themselves are calcium phosphate, they're apatite. And so when they weather out, the bones provide this calcium rich substrate, and this lichen grows on the bones, and then they use drones to fly over and just search for the bright orange colours, and where they find a lot of bright orange, it's very, very likely that they found a bone bed. So then they'll go there and actually search for it, and it makes looking for things much more efficient, much more eco-friendly, and much less time is wasted just searching for the bone beds in the first place.